There is a certain delight to walking into a space and not being able to put your finger on exactly what makes it work. That delight is the consequence of design. And design is not just visual. It has to be all-pervasive and, more importantly, functional. Crafted by the renowned Andy Fisher workshop, one of the goals at Alanoville was to optimize the use of the site without sacrificing personal space. Our approach was to look into developing the design of the house first, which then informs the site layout. We utilized the concept of borrowed space, where we borrowed space from one area to increase another. Owners would be able to perceive a larger area without paying for it. A typical housing layout comes with green buffers, fences and walkways. We borrowed this space and moved it to the rear to create a larger personal garden. In effect, we moved the living room area to the back of the house, where the family gets to enjoy the extended vista. This shift allowed us to create a house with two facades. As a bonus, the driveway front also feels bigger due to the lack of perceivable barriers. The row villas at Alanoville fall within three distinct choices. Villas with a private garden. Villas with a wade pool. And villas with a view of the boulevard. Accompanied by the best of amenities, Alanoville will be home to 75 families that will benefit from the tenets of design.